Unlocking the meaning of chest mass. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that might puzzle many English language learners: chest mass. This term may come up in various contexts, and understanding it can enrich your English comprehension significantly. Stay with us as we explore what this phrase means and how you can use it correctly in conversation. Let's get started. When we hear the term chest mass, we're essentially talking about a lump or growth that forms within the chest. It's a medical term, often used by doctors or in health-related discussions. But don't worry, we're not giving a medical lecture here. We're just aiming to understand the term in a broad sense. At the most basic level, chest refers to the upper front part of the body, enclosed by the ribs and containing the heart and lungs. Mass, on the other hand, signifies a large body of matter with no definite shape. Put them together, and you get chest mass, which indicates a lump or growth in that area of the body. To get a better grasp of how chest mass is used, let's look at some sentences. The doctor detected a chest mass during the physical examination. Treatment options for a chest mass depend on its cause and severity. Notice how the term is used to describe a medical condition without specifying what it is exactly. It's neutral and does not imply whether it's benign, non-cancerous, or malignant, cancerous. It's important to distinguish chest mass from similar phrases like chest pain or chest congestion. While these terms are related to the chest area, they describe different issues. Chest pain refers to discomfort or pain in the chest, while chest congestion involves a heavy feeling and mucus buildup in the chest due to illness. Understanding phrases like chest mass can be quite handy, especially when discussing health issues or understanding medical dramas. We hope this video has shed light on what chest mass means and how it's used. Always remember, expanding your vocabulary helps in making you a more confident English speaker. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you with more English language learning content in our next videos.